Installation of LaserMen 1325 non-metal laser cutter engraver machine. Thanks for ordering LaserMen 1325 non-metal laser cutter engraver machine. Here is the machine installation guide. Please notice that machine configurations and accessories in the video may be different from your machine. Prepare water chiller, air pump, exhaust fan and pipe, 15 liters distilled weight, power strip, Allen wrench, screwdriver, scissors, water funnel, toolbox, laser tube, computer or laptop next to the machine. Laser tube installation. 1. Open the cover of the laser tube box. Loosen the two bolts of the laser tube holder on the left by an Allen wrench. Then open the bolts on the right. 2. Put the laser tube gently on the laser tube holders and fix it with the straps. Rotate the water inlet position to an appropriate angle when placing the laser tube, to prevent collision with the beam. Fix the laser tube with the bolts. Three. Remove the negative pole screw with a screwdriver, and connect the laser power supply low voltage wire to the laser tube negative pole with the screw. 4. Take off the positive pole protective cap and remove the positive pole screw by a screwdriver. Connect the laser power supply high voltage wire to the laser tube positive pole with the screw. 5. Put on the protective cap. 6. Connect the laser tube inlet water pipe to the port at left, and the outlet water pipe to the port at right. 7. Lock the cover of laser tube box. USB cable connection. 1. Open the electric control box. 2. Cut the ties and get the USB cable. Connect the USB cable to the computer through the bottom hole. 3. Lock the electric control box. Water chiller installation. 1. Open the water chiller filling hole. Put a funnel and pour distilled water into the chiller. Observe the water level during water injection. The water level should be in the middle of yellow range. 2. Screw up the cap. 3. Connect the water chiller inlet A1 to the machine outlet A1. 4. Connect the water chiller outlet B1 to the machine inlet B1. 5. Open the side cover of the machine. 6. Cut the ties and get the water protection cable. Connect the water protection cable to the water chiller. 7. Lock the side cover of the machine. 8. Connect the water chiller to power. Air pump installation. 1. Connect the air pump air outlet with machine air inlet with an air pipe. 2. Plug the air pump power cable to machine rear socket. Exhaust fan installation. 1. Connect the exhaust fan air inlet and machine air outlet with an wind pipe. You can cut the air pipe if it's too long. 2. Fix another wind pipe to the exhaust fan air outlet. 3. Connect the exhaust fan to power. Machine testing. 1. Connect the laser machine to power. 2. Voltage for the machine is single-phase 220 voltage, or 110 voltage. Please refer to the contract specifications or consult LaserMen. 3. Switch on the water chiller. 4. Open laser tube box cover and check if the water flow and circulation inside tube is okay. If there are bubbles in the laser tube, please loosen the bolts of laser tube holders and raise the outlet of laser tube to expel the bubbles, then fix the laser tube with bolts. Lock the laser tube box cover. 5. Deactivate the machine emergency stop button. Switch on machine power, laser power and lamp switch. Check if the machine is normal. 6. Machine installation has been done. Please go ahead with mirror alignment.